How you doing, guys? This is Coach O'Neill. I'm going to speak on critical thinking and technology in physical education. First off, I want to discuss the what is critical thinking and how does it benefit physical education. Critical thinking is this is the definition in a nutshell. It says critical thinking basically is the ability to form a judgment. The subject, which generally includes rationality, skeptical, unbiased analysts, or sheesh. All right, guys, this is my presentation on Mod 5 Critical Thinking and Technology in Physical Education. First off, I want to give the importance of what is critical thinking and how it benefits physical education. Basically, the definition in a nutshell: critical thinking is the ability to form a judgment. The subject, which generally includes the rationale. Yeesh. So, guys, this is my presentation on Mod 5 Critical Thinking and Technology in Physical Education. First, to start off, I want to speak on what is critical thinking and how it benefits to physical education. For critical thinking, in a nutshell, is basically the ability to form a judgment. This subject, which generally includes the rationale, skeptical, unbiased analysis. Excuse me, damn. What's up, guys? This is Keith O'Neill giving my presentation on critical thinking and technology in physical education. Just to start off, generally, if you think of physical education, you can pretty much think that every aspect of critical thinking can go into physical education and using these tools into helping our students grow educationally as well as healthily. What's up, guys? This is Keith O'Neill giving my presentation on Mod 5 Critical Thinking and Technology in Physical Education. First off, I want to point out my belief system that if you really think about it, physical education and critical thinking go hand in hand when it comes to the aspect of student learning. With physical education, critical thinking not only helps students with making decisions, but it also can help students as well as determining every movement and every aspect of what they're going to do with their bodies. Moving forward, we're just going to dive into what is critical thinking and how it benefits physical education. So, the definition of critical thinking in a nutshell: critical thinking is the ability to form a judgment. Pretty much the subject, which generally includes the rational, skeptical, unbiased analysis or evaluation of factual evidence. The process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, and synthesizing and evaluating information to reach an answer or a conclusion is pretty much the whole concept of construct of critical thinking. You know, if you think about it when it comes to physical education, this definition is in a sense, you can place physical education as an ultimate role in that. When teaching my students certain skills or certain things that objectives of the day, such as let's just point out basketball. When a kid is playing basketball, it's a lot of thinking that comes into the aspect what movement they're going to make. They also have to understand the trajectory of the ball, the steps and the fundamentals of what is needed to be done in order to move from point A to point B without losing the ball in their hand. This takes a lot of critical thinking as well. When you place technology in a sense, it's a lot of benefits from technology that helps with physical education. For instance, if you think about nowadays, everyone has Fitbits, Apple Watches, or any type of workout device that either keeps up with your either tracks your movement, keeps up with what you're doing with your your calorie intake to how many steps you take within a day. This is the benefit of technology. This has really made health a more specific and direct, accurate information that people need in order to help with their daily benefits of healthy lives. Along with that, if you think about it, when it comes to music also helps with physical education. Music is also seen as technology, depending at the end of the day. No matter if you're using a radio, from a projector screen, in a sense of to project music and anything in that fashion. These are all tools and constructs that comes from technology. Lastly, will be videos. Now, this is a key thing for teaching gym or physical education. That's when you want to show students how to properly do a certain movement or make certain steps. This is the way that you can show them a video, and the benefit of the video that you could also fast forward or rewind it just to help a student clearly understand the certain things that they need in order to help them reach their healthy goal. This is simply the references of all of the photos and information that I have. At the end of the day, guys, technology and physical education go hand in hand, and with the way that the world is today, you can't without inputting technology in physical education nowadays, you can in a sense lose student interest in this day and age. Thank you guys and have a great day.